So today we're going to be showing you 6 Echo's Maverick Medical Kit, and we're going to be taking a look at all the contents inside. So 6 Echo's Maverick Medical Kit was put together mainly for people that are embarking on adventures. So we have a lot of things in here for hikers, campers. We're gonna go ahead and open this up and we'll show you some of the contents inside and talk a little bit about how you're gonna use it. Before we open it up, we'll go ahead and talk about the bag a little bit. The bag is a lifetime warranty FRP bag by Maxpedition. This is a rugged, durable bag. It has YKK zippers. It has real good zipper pulls that are easy to open. It has laser cut MOLLE attachments on the back. So you have a handle here. You have some D-rings on the side for carabiners. So there's a lot of mounting options for this. You also have the laser cut MOLLE to where you can put accessories like tourniquets or something on the front of this as well. So let's open this up. So inside the bag, we have some of the things that you may need to get to quickly, readily accessible on the outside right here. Then we have tucked a little further away some of the things like the splints that are not as critical for life safety. So let's go ahead and dive in. We've got some trauma shears here, so if you need to expose wounds, we can get to those easily. We also have gloves, so if you're working on an injury of your own, you may not need the gloves, but if you're gonna be working on someone else, it's a good idea to have the gloves to isolate those bloodborne pathogens and keep yourself and the person you're helping safe. So we also have QuikClot that's readily accessible right here on the kit. We've got 2 of those 2-foot Z-fold QuikClots. We also have a self-adhesive bandage here, so we can use that as a pressure dressing on top of the QuikClot to help hold that in place. We have on this side, we have some gauze. So we have 2 of these roller gauze. We've got some 4x4 bandages here. We've got some combine pads or ABD pads. These are just for, these are more absorbent, so for heavier bleeding. We've got some of those. We've got some BurnTech burn dressings. I'm gonna go ahead, easiest way to get this splint out is to pop this back and this should slide right out. So we have a foam splint that stays in here as well. So there's many uses for that. We've got this roll of tape. It is tied on with some shock cord here so it doesn't fall out, you don't lose it. You can use it as a dispenser, pull it right off, and this will keep it out of the dirt and keep it from getting all nasty. So that tape is there. Now we've got this Ziploc bag here that has a bunch of the small components in it. So I'll go ahead and open this up and show you what's inside here. So we do have some basic meds. We have Tylenol, Advil, and Benadryl. So we do have an antihistamine there. Got some Band-Aids, an assortment of Band-Aids. We have some large Band-Aids. We have some alcohol prep pads. We have some triple antibiotic ointment. We have some SteriStrip wound closures. And we have some Moleskin there. Open this up, we have a emergency blanket. We have 2 triangle bandages. So those triangle bandages can be used to help secure the splint in place. They can be used to make a sling and swathe for arm and shoulder injuries. It can also be used as a pressure dressing if you need additional dressings for a large wound. So that is everything that's in the kit. As you can see, we have a lot of different items packed in this small kit. So it's a good universal overall kit for people to have in their vehicle, in their home, or to take out in the woods next time they go on an adventure, hiking, camping, or anything like that. So as you can tell, we have a lot of things packed inside this little kit. So the Maverick is not just an adventure medical kit, but it's a great kit to carry with you at any time. So you can keep this inside your vehicle, at your home, at your work, inside your backpack. It can be used in just about any situation. These are some great essentials to have with you at all times. So you can find out more about this kit and you can go ahead and order it on our website at 6echosystems.com. So check it out there and go ahead and subscribe and like if you found this video helpful.